Ladies and gentlemen, let's reveal the Scorpio-N.
We believe we are at a very historic point, one which is going to set a new benchmark in what a body-on-frame SUV is going to be like.
In terms of authenticity, design, performance, comfort, tech, but most of all, what gives us pride is the sophistication and refinement that we are going to bring with this product into this segment and category.
This coffee black interior, larger sunroof, this stacked tail lamp, what a signature, it looks stunning. And of course the new logo integrated into the car, the Scorpion Sting, the big 17-18-inch wheels, and again the little Scorpio tail signature in the DRLs, very purposeful lamps and that super powerful grille.
Such a good car, we have to produce it. And there comes a brand new TCF line, a brand new body shop where the car takes a road dip and then gets an absolutely fantastic paint, and the new body shop that gives multi-model capabilities of different varieties, giving commonality to us.
As a big daddy of SUVs, this was like a proper big daddy event. Never seen so many SUVs in one media drive. So many media houses out here. I think that shows how popular the model is.
Stunning looking product. I mean, what a smart looking product. Both the front, the side profile is awesome. It looks proportional.
I love that stance which actually give that ruling the road power feel.
It looks unmistakably like a Scorpio, but also a very modern rendition of the Scorpio.
It's just become more classy while retaining that tough character and attitude, and that's what makes the Scorpio what it is.
On-road drivability, it has become much better, much composed of course. It also steers better.
On-road it was pretty stable, comfortable. The steering is super light.
You feel more connected with the car when you are on the road. I was surprised to get that dynamic feel, especially while I was pushing on this Lonavala roads.
It performed really well. It's stable, grounded, and the suspension setup is spot on too, especially for our Indian roads. It's surprising how well the Scorpio handles the corners and how enjoyable it is in the hills. It gives you confidence, there is good grip, there's not too much body roll. It just is a nice car to do a nice long drive in.
Feels very comfortable to drive, feels very agile. That was pretty impressive.
What surprised me was the off-road ability of this car.
If you want to take it off-road, this suspension plays a good role. The articulations are amazing. It's on ground and is very strong.
It's a very nice car to be inside. So you're doing all this really difficult off-roading, climbing up and going down and doing articulation, but in extreme comfort. So that was really nice.
The terrain modes, the mapping, the way it changed the characteristic of the SUV and made tackling that kind of terrain so much more easier, that's something that really surprised me, and also made it easy to just do those obstacles.
I think it's a total value for money package considering what all features it comes with compared to the competition, and it's got everything that one expects.
It's authentic, it's credible. It is a proper SUV, unlike other pseudo SUVs that you find.